Yes. Am I speaking with? Hello. Yes. Am I speaking? This is. My name is 8 Ball, and I'm a licensed representative with Inhumana Insurance Company. Am I speaking with Cindy Loftus? Is that who I'm speaking with today? Oh, hello, Cindy. I'm so glad I could speak to you. Like I was saying, my name is 8 Ball. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and I'm just responding today to your inquiry about abortion insurance. I just need to confirm a couple of things here real quick. You are located in Austin, Texas. Is that correct? All right, great. You say you're 20 years old and you're attending college. Is that all right? Do I have that all up to date? All right, great, fantastic. Cindy, you're exactly the type of person that we need to talk to because you're exactly the demographic that is most at risk of needing this precious insurance at a time when your state does not want you to have these rights, your rights to control your own body. So let's talk about that, Cindy. Now, Cindy, I can hear the apprehension in your voice already. You're thinking to yourself, I'm not going to get pregnant. I'm not going to need an abortion. What does this insurance do for me? Well, let me tell you right now what this insurance does for you. Right now, Cindy, you, like all the other women in Texas, are totally at risk of losing health care to take care of your reproductive rights. So let's talk about that for a second. Now, I hear it in your voice. You're a good girl. You're waiting till marriage to have children, right? You're waiting till marriage to have sex with your husband. Is that right? That is what you're doing, Cindy? Well, Cindy, I know that sounds like a great plan. Surefire way not to get pregnant unexpectedly. But Cindy, let me throw out some scenarios here for you. First of all, you live in Texas. Turn down the wrong street in some backcountry area. Who knows who's going to be there? Your insurance isn't going to protect you from rape. You're going to need abortion insurance to take care of that unwanted, heels have eyes horror child growing in your womb. Okay, let's say you do successfully make it to marriage totally celibate. Let's be real here for a second. Let me throw out a real horror story. Some of the clients I've talked to today, I talked to a woman earlier today. Guess what happened to her? Waited till marriage, was totally clean, didn't have any sex at all, not even oral. Then she gets married, they get pregnant. 3 days after she finds out that she's pregnant, also finds out her husband is a distant cousin. Bam! Incest baby. Incest baby. Is that what you want? That could happen to you. That happens to more people every year than you could possibly anticipate. Cindy? And let's be real, Cindy, here. You're 20. You're young. Your hormones, they're ready to kick in. There's no guarantee you will actually have the willpower to make it all the way to being married before you have sex. Did your mother wait until she was married? Did she? You don't know. Possibly because she's lying to you, Cindy. Everyone has sex before marriage. It's 2007 fucking teen. Let's be real. You're gonna have sex eventually once you're comfortable with it. Or until someone at a bar hands you a drink that's mixed. I don't know. I'm just saying you might want an abortion in that scenario. But let me ask you this question here, Cindy. Are you in a sorority? People in sororities are one of the #1 consumers of abortions. If you're in a sorority, your chances of needing abortion have already gone up. Let's be honest. You're getting drunk and lit all the time. You're partying at fraternities. You can't trust frat boys. Next thing you know, you're pregnant. You need an abortion. You need to get in there, get the vacuum up in your vajayjay, suck that little fucker out of there. Now, I know what you're saying. I can hear the concern in your voice. How do I know that I will get pregnant? How do I know this is a service I'm going to need? Well, let me just put it this way, Cindy. You don't know. Because that's what insurance is about, Cindy. It's about peace of mind. Knowing that if something happens, that money's going to be there to vacuum suck out that little tumor of a child from your vagina. Now, I can't guarantee you won't get pregnant. But what I can guarantee you is that your doctor who will provide your abortion will be in network. Because right now, we're the only carrier who's going to every single abortion doctor in Texas right now. And they're willing to work with us to get you a low rate. How low is that low rate? Right now, we're going to start you out paying a mere $14.99 a month. And that's based on your demographics. Once you get older, out of college, we might be able to knock that down to $5.99 a month. Why? Let's just be honest. Once you're out of that sorority, you're at a lot lower risk for these abortion needs. Because you'll be drinking less, and you'll be putting yourself at less risk. Because let's be real, the legislators have concluded it is a woman's fault when she gets raped. That's what the legislatures have been telling us for a long time. Oh no, okay, I'm sorry. I see it your way. Obviously, it's the rapist's fault that you got raped. But let's be real about that. How do you know someone's not a rapist? Rapists could be anywhere. Anywhere, Cindy. They are everywhere, doing everything possible to get at women. There's your thing. They're predators. They're hunting you. You're going to want this insurance for when and or if they hunt you down. So, Cindy, you sound like a smart girl. You sound like you know what you want out of life. And let me be real here. Do you want a career, Cindy? Is a career something that you want? Maybe it's not. Maybe you do want to grow up and have children. But let's be real here. If you have a child before you're ready, do you know what happens to you, Cindy? You know what happens if you have a child before you're ready to have a child, Cindy? Next thing you know, you're on Texas welfare. Do you want to be on welfare in fucking Texas, Cindy? Is that where you want to be on welfare? In Texas? You don't want to be on welfare in Texas. That's the worst fucking place you could ever be on welfare. Okay? All right? I understand. You sound scared. You're confused. That's why I'm here, Cindy. I'm here to help you get the insurance coverage you need to get the abortions you will have. I'm sorry. Did I say will? I meant possibly will have. Or maybe I don't. You never know when you're gonna need one. Do you want a career, Cindy? The wrong child at the wrong time could end that career. Next thing you know, you're a special Lifetime movie. You don't want to be a Lifetime movie, Cindy. No one wants to be a fucking Lifetime movie. Are you gonna... Oh, sure, you could give up the baby to adoption, Cindy. You could do that. But if you do that, what's going to happen to that child? Let's be real. The child you give up for adoption, it's going into the system. No one does well in the system. And Alex Jones has personally told me that when your child goes into the child services, that's where the pedophiles get them. Do you want to raise a child, give it up to adoption, just so it can be attacked by satanic pedophiles? Is that what you want, Cindy? Is that what you fucking want? Now, Cindy, I'll be real with you. Abortion insurance isn't currently regulated because it's a brand new thing. It's never needed to exist before because, personally, the market just wasn't there because we had regular insurance to cover this. But now, since your state is taking away your ability to get abortion with regular insurance, you're going to need this. And yeah, you're going to need this because that 20-year-old woman, sorority sister who wants a career and doesn't want to have children until it's the right time, you're going to fucking need this. So, Cindy, all I'm going to need is the routing and account numbers to your bank account. And we're going to hook you up with some mad abortions insurance for the low rate of $14.99 a month. It's going to be the best $14.99 a month you've ever spent. So, Cindy, the question I'm going to ask you now is, do you trust me? Do you trust me to help herald you into a new era of not being afraid of not having coverage for your abortion? Let me help you out, Cindy. Why don't you get out your credit card or your routing and account number? I don't care. Any one. Let's do this. Let's get you the protection that your womanly parts need. Let's do this. Hello, Cindy? Are you still there? Cindy? Cindy, you still there? Oh, Cindy, thank God. I thought I lost you. Yes. No, okay. Okay, yes. All right. Yes, okay. Okay, let's see here. Okay. All right. And I'm just going to need your voice signature here. I just state your name and then today's date. Okay. All right. You're going to be receiving a packet in the mail in 4 to 5 business days. Okay. All right, Cindy. Pleasure doing business with you. Please, oh, hey, please give my number to all your sorority sisters. They're all going to need this protection because, you know, it's a sorority and you're a highly at-risk group. So let's hit you up here. My number, that's 1-800. Yeah, 1-800. Yes, 1-800. The first part is 1-800. That's, most of them are. 1-800, get abort. Yep, that's it. All right. I look forward to hearing from you and your sisters. You have a great day. All right. Thank you very much. Uh, Hey, hello. My name is 8 Ball. I'm a licensed insurance agent uh, calling on behalf of Inhumana Insurance. I'm responding to your inquiry about abortion insurance. Am I speaking? Oh, I'm sorry. Is this Kelly McDermott? Oh, she's not available right now? Well, don't worry. We'll call back later.